Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit 90s old look filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure minus 0.48. Bring the highlights minus 100. Shadows minus 32. Whites 4. Blacks minus 20. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp minus 2. Bring the tint minus 21. Vibrance plus 5. Saturation minus 5. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red Color. And bring the hue plus 60. Saturation minus 54. Luminance minus 49. Next go to Orange. Bring the hue minus 5. Saturation minus 31. Luminance plus 20. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 7. Saturation minus 41. Luminance plus 13. Next go to Green. Bring the hue minus 51. Saturation minus 9. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue minus 5. Saturation plus 23. Luminance plus 16. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue minus 15. Saturation plus 19. Luminance minus 53. Go to Purple. Bring the saturation plus 34. Luminance plus 22. Next go to Pink. Bring the saturation minus 29. Luminance minus 12. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity minus 10. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue to 20. And saturation 27. For highlights. And bring the hue to 162. And saturation 4. For shadows. Balance minus 10. And done. Now go to Details. Color noise reduction minus 25. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.